I'm Matt, and that's Frank, and today we're removing that deck from him. And I'm going to be using the video by Johnson's Small Engines on how to remove a deck from a Troybilt Bronco. Very useful video. I'll link it in the comments and the description if you need to use it. And yeah, enjoy my suffering because for some reason this took way too long. So first, I believe this is a 1/2-inch socket here using my Husky ratchet, brand new. Let's hope I do it correctly. For these little clips, I'm going to be using Husky needle nose pliers. Yep, there's one right there. I think this is a little different than the one in the video, so. I'm not sure this will apply for all of y'all, but these were stuck on, so I wiggled them a little bit by hand before I'm going to take them off. So yeah, let's get started. One clip down, one more to go. I'm going to roll on over to the other side. I doubt you can see it, but there's an itty bitty clip right in there. Right in there. So I'm gonna get that thing out, and then I'm gonna get the front thing out, and then I'll slide this bad boy out, I believe. Alright, so it turns out there's like a little thing in there that just does not want to come out for the life of me. So now I'm just gonna play the socket guessing game and try to get that thing out. Yep, let's get to it. Frank is now deckless. Took quite a while, but you know, he now has no deck. So that'll do. And yep, there's the deck in all of its crusty glory. Yep, hopefully see y'all next time.